Windows 11 is here, with a fresh new appearance and a slew of new features geared at streamlining your PC and making you more productive, whether you're working from home or at the office. How to use the new Windows 11 features. Android apps. What it is. Android apps will be natively integrated into Windows 11 via the new Microsoft Store, which has been a long time coming for Windows users, though you could run Android apps on your Windows 10 PC in some situations. For example, if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, Windows 11 is the first time you'll be able to download them directly to your computer. How you'll use it. Android apps will be available in the new Microsoft Store, which will be accessible through Amazon's App Store. That means you'll have to download the Amazon App Store. To get access to the almost 500,000 apps it offers, which include Disney+, TikTok, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, and more. You won't be able to use every Android app in the Google Play Store, though. You'll need to download the Amazon App Store and sign into or create an Amazon account to get started. Then, just like on any other platform, you'll be able to search for free and premium apps. Android apps will display on the taskbar with their own windows and will be incorporated into the start bar. Widgets. What it is. Widgets are an AI-powered customized feed that slides out to offer you information like news, weather, a glance at your calendar and to-do list, and your recent images in Windows 11. Widgets are comparable to the News and Interests feature that was introduced in a recent Windows 10 update. How to use it. A Widgets button may be found on the newly redesigned taskbar. When you click or press it, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen with a succession of widgets that provide you with the information you need at a glance. It can also be expanded to fill the entire screen. Microsoft Teams. What it is. Microsoft's video chat platform Teams will be integrated directly into Windows 11, making it easier to use on a daily basis. On Teams, you may connect with people on Windows, Android, Mac, or iOS. Teams will now display in the taskbar, which you can use. To use the chat tool, go to the Teams icon and select whether you want to message, text, voice, or video call one of your contacts. Choose who you wish to contact by clicking Meet or Chat. Alternatively, click the button at the bottom of the chat screen to open the full version of Microsoft Teams. Desktops. What it is. Windows 11 will make it easier to create separate virtual desktops for different aspects of your life and personalize them with different backgrounds, allowing you to build a desktop for personal usage, work, school, gaming, or anything else, and switch between them quickly. This is comparable to the virtual desktop functionality in Mac OS X. How you'll use it. We don't have a lot of details on how to set up the new desktops yet, but based on Microsoft's demo, it appears that once you do, you'll be able to scroll to the bottom of your screen and see a window pop up with all of the different desktops you've created, allowing you to switch between them with a single click. That's all, we are done. I hope you've learned a lot from Friz. Don't forget to click subscribe button and hit the notification bell button.